Hey everyone, today we're showing you how to change the oil on your Predator 8,750 watt generator from Harbor Freight. This is a super common maintenance task and will make it even easier by installing a few upgrades from Votex, including a magnetic dipstick and magnetic drain plug, all designed to help protect your generator's engine from day one. Let's start with what you need: 10mm socket or wrench, oil drain pan, funnel, Allen wrench for the dipstick, 10W30 oil, and optional but recommended Votex crush washer. If you haven't run your generator recently, it's a good idea to let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. Warming up the oil helps it drain faster and more completely. After that, shut everything off, disconnect your spark plug, and move to the drain plug area. The 8750 uses a bottom-mounted drain plug. Loosen it with a 10mm socket and drain the oil into the pan. You'll want to remove the dipstick too. This helps the oil drain smoothly. Now let's talk about the Votex magnetic drain plug. This upgrade is especially useful right now, before the first startup, before the engine's break-in period. That's when metal particles are most likely to show up in your oil. And this rare earth neodymium magnet, rated for high temps, is going to grab and hold onto that debris so it doesn't recirculate through your engine. To finish it off, Votex crush washer. These are made in the USA and give you a tight seal with no mess. And with a 20-pack, you're set for years of oil changes. Next, we'll install your Votex magnetic dipstick. This replaces a stock plastic version with one made from stainless steel, and it has a magnet in the tip to grab even more wear particles from your oil. It uses a flat O-ring for better seal and features an Allen head, so if you accidentally over-tightened it during your last change, no worries, it'll come out cleanly. Before adding oil, compare the Votex dipstick to your factory dipstick so you understand where the high and low marks line up. This generator takes about 1.1 quarts of 10W30 oil. Use a funnel and pour slowly. After filling, use the Votex dipstick to check your level. You want it right at the top line but not overfilled. Once your oil level is good, double check the Votex magnetic drain plug and dipstick are snug. Wipe down any excess and dispose of your used oil properly. And that's it. Your 8750 is now protected and ready to run. Thanks for watching, and if you're using the Votex magnetic drain plug, dipstick, and crush washers, you've just given your generator a big boost in long-term reliability. All the parts and tools are linked in the description below. Be sure to check out our full unboxing and setup video for the 8750 if you haven't yet. And subscribe for more generator tips and walkthroughs.